In a highly competitive retail market, you need your business management software to fit your unique needs and help you grow with ease. But finding the right software can be a daunting and time-consuming exercise. Epicor has been helping independent retail businesses make the right choice for 45 years. Often, the right choice is Epicor. Sometimes it's not. Over the course of your software evaluation, we'll look at 3 key themes: fit, ease, and growth. Fit. Your business is unique. The products and services you provide, the systems and processes you use, your approach to customer service, your sales and marketing strategies, and how you sell and deliver are unique to you. So when you select a core piece of software to run your business, you need it to fit. What do we mean by that? Just as you are the experts in your retail specialties and your customers, Epicor is deeply connected to the nuances of your industry and the technology solutions that can help your business grow. Our commitment to smaller local and regional retailers helps us to build tools to fit your business. Ease. Working with your software system and your technology provider should be effortless. In every corner of Epicor, we've introduced a concept called ease of everything. Your Epicor system will be easy to deploy, easy to access, easy to learn, easy to use, and easy to upgrade. Ultimately, we want to make it easier for you to run your business by arming you with tools that offer mobile solutions, e-commerce, analytics, inventory accuracy, customer engagement, streamlined operations, and more. Growth. Our mission is to help customers grow their businesses. If you want to grow, whether for you that means the top line, the bottom line, new product additions, new services, your digital presence, or your geographical footprint, Epicor can help. As your technology partner, we listen to you and stay on the pulse of retail industries to develop solutions to help you drive growth, thrive, and compete. Fit, ease, growth. These are the lenses we look through as we share our products and services with companies like yours. As you search for a solution to power your business into the future, we encourage you to ask yourself, is it a great fit? Will it be easy? Will it help us grow? To learn more, please contact Epicor today at eagle@epicor.com or 888-463-4700.